Come to lie on your back. Bring the soles of the feet together and let the knees open wide, finding a reclined butterfly. Bring one hand to your heart and one hand to your belly, and just begin to breathe. Take a deep inhale and exhale, and a deep breath in and a deep breath out. And one more here. Inhale and exhale. Happy baby. Draw both knees in wider than your rib cage. Reach for the outer feet or the hamstrings and exhale as you pull down on the legs, flattening your back against the mat. Relax into the floor for a moment. Slowly release the feet down, soles of the feet flat to the mat. Grab behind your hamstrings and rock and roll up to a tabletop position. Feel free to place a folded blanket at the center of your mat to cushion the knees. If you need to rest the wrists at any time, try coming down onto your forearms. Hip circles. Slowly circle the hips in one direction. Now take the hips in the other direction. Come to stillness, tabletop. Low lunge, knee down. Keep your left leg where it is and step your right foot forward. Use your right hand to help the leg forward if you need to. Then let your hands frame your front foot. Crescent lunge. Reach your arms to the sky. Draw the biceps back to frame the ears. Big breath in. Exhale, half Hanuman. Engage the abs. Shift the hips back. Breath in. Sole of the foot to the mat. Reach up, crescent lunge. Breath out, half Hanuman. Breathe in and reach, crescent lunge. Half Hanuman. Exhale. Crescent lunge. Inhale. Shift the hips back. Breath out. Inhale back to crescent lunge. Low lunge, knee down. Exhale, hands down. Return to tabletop. Separate your knees and press back to a child's pose position. Come up to tabletop. Low lunge, knee down. Step your left foot forward and frame your left foot with your hands. If you need to, use your left hand to help your left leg forward. Find crescent lunge. Inhale as you reach both arms to the sky. Exhale, half Hanuman. Engage the abs. Shift the hips back. Breath in. Sole of the foot to the mat. Reach up, crescent lunge. Breath out, half Hanuman. Breathe in and reach, crescent lunge. Half Hanuman. Exhale. Breathe in and reach up. shift the hips back. Breath out. Inhale up to Crescent lunge. Exhale the hands to the mat. Low lunge, knee down. Back to tabletop. Forward fold. Step the right foot forward and then bring the left foot next to the right. Padangusthasana. Separate your feet hip width and reach your peace fingers around your big toes. Inhale. Raise the heart up and lengthen the spine until the arms straighten. Exhale. Bow over the legs. Take a few breaths here. Release to forward fold. Inhale, slowly roll up vertebra by vertebra. Exhale, find Tadasana. Eagle pose. Inhale, shift your weight into the right foot and lift the left knee. Exhale, cross your left leg over your right. You can touch the left toes to the mat for more steadiness, or keep the foot lifted. You might even wrap the left toes around the back of the calf. Take a breath in. Sweep left arm under right and keep hands at the shoulders, or bring the backs of the hands or palms to touch. Tadasana. Exhale, release the arms and legs. Stand tall. Eagle pose. Inhale, right knee lifts. Cross your right leg over your left. Breath out. If you need to, let the right toes touch the mat, or keep the foot lifted and maybe wrap the right toes all the way around to come behind the left calf. Right arm sweeps under left. Inhale, hands to shoulders or back of the hands touch, maybe palm to palm. Find Tadasana. Exhale, rise up. Set your foot down and release your arms by your sides. Return to tabletop. Bend the knees and lower down to the mat. Lizard pose. Walk your hands a few inches forward and then step your right foot to the outside edge of your right hand. Find tabletop once again. Left side lizard. Hands forward. Left foot steps up and out wide. Slowly return to tabletop. Slowly make your way onto your back. Plant your feet on the mat. Draw both knees into your chest. Find happy baby again. Take hold of the backs of the legs or the outside edges of the feet. Stay here for a little while. Release and squeeze your knees into your chest. Take one final long inhale. Exhale, Shavasana. Lay the legs long. Let the arms come down by the hips. Turn the palms up and settle in. Begin to deepen your breath and bring some gentle movement back to your fingers and your toes. Thank you for sharing this practice with us. Namaste.